Dear students, good morning and let us start today's class. Now, yesterday I explained about area of a parallelogram, that is modulus of A cross B, and I explained about area of a triangle, that is half of modulus of A cross B. But another case, if A, B, C are position vectors, when they given the position vectors, A, B, C are position vectors of a point A, comma, B, comma, C, then the area of the triangle ABC will be, suppose these are the position vectors they have given, then AB vector will be what? AB vector will be B minus A. That is the reason area of the triangle ABC is, this is the AB vector, this is the AC vector. So the area of the triangle is half of modulus of AB cross AC. It means here this value can be written as half of AB. AB can be written as B vector minus A vector. This is I can write as, it's a position vector. So these are A comma B comma C are position vector. So therefore AB vector will be OB minus OA. I make you understand, if we have this is O is that, then this is OB and this is OA. And the given OA position vector is A vector, OB vector is B vector, then AB vector will be BOB minus OA, that is B vector minus A vector. Cross AC vector will be C minus A, C vector minus A vector, as I already informed you about at the time of position vectors. Now this is can be written as half of, then if you do cross multiplication, B cross C, a plus into minus minus, B cross A, and then you have minus A cross C, minus into minus plus A cross A. This is what I am going to get here after doing here the cross product, cross, if I am doing cross here. So you know that A cross A is 0. So what you got here, half of B cross C minus B cross A minus, this is what I got here. Let us see here, B cross C, B cross A cross C, yes. So A cross A. So what I got right now is this is A cross C. Now if I modify this one, I am going to get this one as B cross C and this minus to become plus, then I can change this A cross B. So B cross A I can write as A cross B, then minus into minus plus, and this is going to be changed plus C cross A. It means the area of the triangle is A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. This is the area of the triangle. So when the position vector is given, then the area of the triangle is half of A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Whenever they given the position vector, then the area of the triangle will be formed like this. Okay, so area of the parallelogram I explained, area of the triangle yesterday I explained, I gave a problem on that. Even this is the position vector when given, then area of the triangle is this. Now what we do here, let us solve some problems based on this. See, area of the triangle related question, look at here, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given this one, using the vector form. So you want to find the area of this triangle, and these type of questions are not related to JEE, it's a board level question, so you have to understand this concept also. Let us discuss how to find the area of the triangle. Now I take the triangle first of all, and let us mention this is A, B, C. I want to find the area. So A is what here, 2, 3, 5. B is what here, 3, 5, 8. C is what here, 2, 7, 8. And these are given vertices of a triangle, right? Then the vector A, the position vector A will be, this is the position vector A, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Like that we can write. Then the position vector B can be written as 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 8k cap. That is, I can write from this vertex. What is the position vector of this one? Position vector of C vector will be 2i cap plus 7j cap plus 8k cap. These are the vertices of this triangle and these are the position vectors. So I want to find the area. So I can use the previous system, that is A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A, that I can use. I can find the area of the triangle. Okay, otherwise I can do that here. Let us find two adjacent sides of the triangle. So BC is equal to, okay, BC is equal to, you can use this one or that one, anything you can use it. Okay, hope you understand. But whenever you are finding the area, remember one thing, try to write in cyclic, like A, B, C. I wrote in the, not in a proper way, write always in a proper way. Like here, cyclic A, B, C, continuous, sequence wise. Like here, I can write now, you consider this is A, then B, then C, like the cyclic wise. So you can write here A vector, this is you have A, B, C. Now you have to find the area of the triangle. Now area of the triangle, how to find here? Now AB vector, let us find two adjacent sides. So AB vector will be what? AB vector will be B minus A, that is B vector. That is actually, you know, this is a OB vector, right? This is a position vector, that is, otherwise you can use this one as small b. This is you can use as small b. This is you can use as small a. And this is you can use as small c. And these are the position vectors. And you can use the previous formula, half A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. And otherwise you can do one more thing. AB vector will be B minus A, B vector minus A vector. AB vector will be what? B minus A. That is, I get as what? 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 8k cap minus A vector is what? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. And then after this 3 minus 2, that is 1i cap, 5 minus 3, that is 2j cap, 8 plus 5, that is 13k cap. I can write like this. So I got AB vector now, means one side of the triangle and another adjacent side of the triangle, that is this vector AB I got. Let us find AC vector also. AC vector will be what? C vector minus A vector. So C vector is what? What is the C vector here? C vector is 2i cap plus 7j cap plus 8k cap minus A vector is what? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Now what I have to do here? I have to find the subtraction of these two. That is 2 minus 2, 2i cap cancel out. That is 0. 7 and here it is 3. 7 minus 3, correct? 7 minus 3, that is 4j cap. Hope you understand. I wrote C cap, C vector minus and I wrote A vector. So 7 minus 3, that is 4j cap. 4j cap, and this is 8 minus 5, that is plus 3k cap. This is what you get of AC vector. Now what I can use the formula here is area of the triangle is equal to half of AB cross AC. I can use this one. You can use this one or you can use this one, half of A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Even you can use this is also. Now area of this one will be AB cross AC. I have to find AB cross AC, that is I can write as I, J, K. Now AB vector. What is AB vector here? 1, 2, 13. 1, 2, 13 components, and AC vector components are what? 0, 4, 3, and just find A cross B. That I cap into 2 3s are 6, 3 well, 3 13 4s. Are you getting it? When I want to find I, j, k, I cap I keep here and I do the cross multiplication here. So 13 4s are how much here? 52, right? 13 4s are 52. 13 into 4. Okay, 52. So I can write as 6 minus 52 minus j cap. This is close. 1 3s are 3 plus k cap into 1 4s are 4. So finally I got that is how much? Minus 44. Minus 44 I cap. 44 or 46? Minus 46 I cap minus 3 j cap and plus 4 k cap. Now you got this AB cross AC. Now what you have to find? Modulus of this. So magnitude of this will be, what I am going to get here, area of the triangle is equal to, that is half into magnitude of this, square root of, okay, square root of, because you have to square this one, magnitude of this one, 46 square plus minus 3 square plus, and this will be 4 square. I can write like this. Hope you understand. See here what happened. 8 minus 5 is 3, not 13. So this is 3 here. So therefore here you will get 3. If you get 3 here, then this is whole thing will be changed. Sorry here, I didn't see proper. Now let us see the calculation part here. So I cap into, I can write as 2 3s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 minus j cap into 1 3s are 3 minus 3 into 0 0 plus k cap into 1 4s are 4. Hope you understand now. 2 3s are 6 minus 12, j cap will be 3 minus 0 and k cap will be 4 minus 0. That is minus 6 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is what AB cross AC. Then the area of the triangle will be, this is the area of the triangle, that is equal to half into the under square root of minus 6 square, that is 36, plus 3 square, that is 9, plus 4 square, it is 16. So this value will give you 1 by 2 modulus of this one, square root of you know that is 36 plus 16 plus 9. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 9 is 21. So you get 61, square root of 61. So square root of 61 by 2 square units is your answer. This is the answer. This is the way to do the area of the triangle when they given the position vectors. Hope you understand. Let us start next question. Now I explained about area of a triangle when the position vectors are given, right? Now the thing is, A vector, B vector, C vector are the position vector and of 3 collinear points. If they are collinear, means if the given position vectors are the given points in the previous question, I explained you 3 points are given in a triangle and you have find the area of the triangle. We had find. Now if they said, if they may give like that, A is a vertices of 1 k 2, B is a vertex of 2 3 0, whatever it may be, C is a vertex of something, they may give anything like here 1 2 3, whatever it may be. These are collinear. Suppose they said as the points are collinear, these are collinear, then find the value of k. At that time we will use that area of the triangle will be 0. If they are collinear, the area of the triangle will be 0. If area of the triangle is 0, already I gave the formula half of A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is equal to 0. That is the area of the triangle is equal to 0. So half will be sent this side, and this is the necessary and sufficient condition when the 3 position vectors or 3 points are collinear. A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is equal to 0. This is an important formula. Okay, understood? Another one, area of any quadrilateral. Suppose a quadrilateral is given and whose diagonals are given. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. This is the D1 diagonal and this is the D2 diagonal. Then the area of the quadrilateral, when the diagonals are given, then the area of the quadrilateral will be, area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC, this is the here ABC, plus area of the triangle ACD I can take. So area of the triangle ABC can be written as half of AB cross D1, because these are the two adjacent sides of this triangle ABC triangle. These are two adjacent sides. So half of AB cross D1 plus, now the area of this will be, area of this triangle will be half of D1 cross AD. D1 cross AD, this is the area of this one. So now this can be written as how, half of D1 cross, if I take common there, D1 cross is in the under bracket you will get, then D1 cross into this here, when you have D1 cross, then only this value will be, this is only D1 cross AB vector plus D1 cross AD vector can be written like this by distributive law. Now AB cross AB vector plus AD vector you got. So this is AB vector plus this is AD vector. Then that value will be what here? D1 vector. So hence the area of a quadrilateral whose diagonals are given, the area of the triangulator is half, quadrilateral is half modulus of D1 cross D2. So this is the area of the quadrilateral and this is the area of a triangle, and if they are collinear then the area of the triangle will be 0. I will post related these questions in the group. You can solve it because these things are very easy. You can solve by your own. Let us solve next problem. Hello students, let us solve some problems based on this. Okay. Now modulus of A is equal to 2. Modulus of B is equal to 3, A dot B is equal to 4, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. So already I explained about area of a parallelogram. Now is asking that find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given this. So let us find it. Now area of the parallelogram is equal to, what is the formula? Area of parallelogram is equal to adjacent sides are given. That's why we can say that if this is an adjacent side P vector and this is an adjacent side Q vector, then the area of the parallelogram is P cross Q. So the area of this parallelogram will be 2A vector minus B vector cross A vector plus 3B vector. That is what you have. If this is a P vector and this is a Q vector, two adjacent sides are given, then the area of adjacent sides, area of the parallelogram will be P cross Q modulus. Now let us find here. 2A vector multiplies this. 2A vector, see I write as 2A cross A. I am just multiplying this. Plus 2A, this is plus, you have 2A cross 3B, that is 2 3 is a 6, 2 3 is a 6, A cross B, okay. Then after what you write as minus B cross A, okay, this B cross A, plus into minus 3 ones are 3, B cross B. This is what I am going to get it. As I already informed you, A cross A is 0, 0 into 2 is 0. And you have left here 6 times of A cross B here. And that is what you are getting here. And you have to write like this, okay. Now 6 times of A cross B and 1 time minus B cross A. If I change into A cross B, the sign is changes, plus A cross B I will get. Okay, this is what I am going to get it. And this value will be 0. So I have to find simply the area of this one. It is nothing but 7 times of 7. I can take out common, 7 times of A cross B. That's it. I have to find the area of 7 times of A cross B. Here in this question, there is no, they not given any information about A vector and B vector, but they given some conditions of A vector and B vector. As I told you, Lagrange's identity, that is A cross B is equal to A mod A mod B minus A dot B whole square, right? This is the Lagrange's identity, I hope. This is the Lagrange's identity. This is what the Lagrange's identity, that is A cross B whole square is equal to mod A square mod B square minus A dot B whole square. So I have to find what here? I have to find A cross B, that's it. So I have to find A cross B, this value I have to find. And you know that mod A is given 2, that is 2 square will be giving you result 4. And mod B square, B is given 3, 3 square, the result will be how much? 9. Minus A dot B, they given that is 4, that is 4 square. Means what I am getting here, 9 4s are 36 minus 16. 36 minus 16 is 20. So I got how much here? This value is 20. So I can say A cross B is 20, then A cross B will be square root of 20. So I can write as square root of 20, right? I can write as square root of 20, correct? So A cross B whole square is equal to 20. Then A cross B is equal to, that is equal to root 20 you will get. So now the answer will be what here? 7 times of root 20. So this is I can write as 7 times of 2 root 5. That I can write as 20 can be written as 2 root 5. That value will be 14 root 5 is the answer. So your answer A is the right. So this is the way to do this problem. Let us go for another question. Let's see here. Let us solve another question. Let for any vector A is the question is let any vector A cross I whole square plus A cross J whole square plus A cross K whole square is equal to P times of A square, then what is the value of P? Okay, this is numerical based question. Okay, JE numerical based question. This is how to solve. Listen here. We don't know A vector. Let us consider the A vector is AX I cap plus BY J cap plus CK XYZ, okay, CZ K cap. Let us consider a vector A, anything, and you can take A1 also, A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. You can consider anything as you wish. So let us consider A vector is AX I cap plus BY J cap plus CZ K cap. Now you know the Lagrange's identity A cross B, no, it's not Lagrange's identity. Now A cross B whole square, modulus of A cross B whole square, that is equal to A cross B whole square, vector A cross B whole square is equal to, vector A cross B whole square is equal to modulus of A cross B dot modulus of A cross B. What I want to say here, if I say A vector dot A vector, that I can write as mod A vector square. So if I treat this is as A vector, A cross B vector square will be A cross B vector. This is also we can say that A vector square, right? So A vector square can be written as A dot A or modulus of A square. So this is way I can write as A cross B whole square as A cross B dot A cross B. I can write like this. Hope you understand. Let us go for the same thing, the same condition for that. See here, you know this thing, right? Now let us apply Lagrange's identity. What is the Lagrange's identity? A vector cross I I cap, I vector I cap. This is I vector I cap. I cap. Let me see the question once. So now what I have to write here, so a vector I cap whole square, this is equal to, what I have the formula here, a vector mod I vector mod a vector square I vector square minus a vector dot I vector cap whole square. This is what we have formula. According to the Lagrange's theorem, a cross b whole square is equal to mod a square mod b square minus a dot b whole square. This is what we have the formula. According to this, a vector dot a vector cross I cap whole square value you have to find, right? So what we write here, mod a we don't know, that is we can write as mod a square. And is a unit vector, I cap square is 1 minus. Now a vector is what we thought, axi plus byj plus czk. Dot into I. If I do dot into I dot I is 1, so I get ax. So I get ax square. So what I got here, a cross I dot square, I got as mod a square minus ax square. Similarly, what I am going to get here, a vector dot j whole square, unit vector square is equal to mod a square minus, and this is I can write as j dot j I do, so by square I will get. Bi vector square I got, okay, by square I get. And then if I do for a cross k cap square, then I get as mod a square minus, I can write as this dot with this, that is a cz square. And you have the question here, addition of these. So when I add these three, when I am adding these three, all these three, if I add mod a square plus mod a square plus mod a square, that is 3 mod a square, 3 mod a square minus of, I get inside is ax square plus by square plus cz square. I got this one. So what is this value I get here? Ax mod ax square. Yes. I explained you that ax square also we can write as mod ax square mod bx square mod cx square. So this is nothing but 3 mod a square minus this is mod a square. Okay, that means the value of this will be how much? This is a 2 mod a square. That is also we can write as 2 mod a square, I can write as a vector square. Okay, therefore here I got, if you compare this both, so this both are equal, so value of p will be 2. Value of p is equal to 2. Hope you understand. So what I have done here, a vector I cap square I wrote, a vector Lagrange's identity we applied, and then we have just applied square condition. Then this value is nothing but mod a square value. Actually mod a will be what? Actually you know this is a vector. So this is a vector. What is the mod a vector will be? Mod a vector will be under root of square root of ax square plus by square plus cz square. Correct? This is mod a square. And if I do squaring of this one, what I get here? Square root cancel. So mod a square value will be ax square plus by square plus cz square. That is the reason this value I wrote as mod a square. So I got this value is mod a square, 3 mod a square minus a square as 2 mod a square. In the beginning class I told you mod a square can be written as, how I wrote here, a vector dot a vector, or I can write as vector a square. I told you this is the reason. The first thing which I explained first in the beginning of the question, this is what we have. So mod a square is a square. So now you can compare the p value. P value will be 2. Hope you understand. I applied here Lagrange's value, Lagrange's identity, I added. So you got the answer P. Okay. Hope you understand. Next question. See question. Let us see the question which is related to quadrilateral. Okay. After solving this question, I will explain the other content and then we will start some questions of 2020 questions, we will solve it. Now first the thing is, this is a question is given. If OA vector is A, OB vector is 10A vector plus 2 times of B vector plus OC vector is B vector, where O is the origin, let P denotes the area of the quadrilateral OABC and Q denotes the area of a parallelogram with OA and OC are the adjacent sides. Then what is the ratio of P by Q? Again it is a numerical value question, numerical based value question. Now how to solve this one? Listen here, numerical based. What is a, you just draw a quadrilateral. Okay, let us draw a quadrilateral. Okay, let us draw one quadrilateral. Let us draw a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral shape. So this is O. O is the origin. Okay, you just take it as O is the origin. O A is the A vector, and this is the OB, that is the OB vector. This is OB vector, and you are joining O and B, OB vector. OC, this is the C vector, OC vector, and this OC vector is nothing but B vector. This is nothing but what here? OC is B vector. OC is B vector. OA is A vector. OA is A vector. OA is A vector. OA is a A vector. This is I represent with A vector. OC is a B vector. This is given. Then what is the area of this parallelogram if adjacent sides are given? OA, OC are adjacent sides. Q denotes the area of the parallelogram. Actually it is said as parallelogram. Okay, area of the Q denotes the area of the parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, no, one is the quadrilateral, one is the parallelogram. It's talking about both. Area of the parallelogram, that is equal to Q. Q is equal to, you have two adjacent sides. Then the area of the parallelogram will be what? Mod A cross B, because this is OA vector, the OA vector is A vector. This is the vector A is given. This is the OC vector, that is they given B. Okay. So according to this is A vector, this is B vector. So the area of the Q will be, Q area you got mod of A cross B. Now you have to find what? Area of the quadrilateral OABC. Okay. OABC. Okay. B is this. This is the point B, and OB will be the vector. That's what is there. So what I have to write as OB vector here, that is this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. So area of the quadrilateral, I gave the formula, area of quadrilateral formula I gave you. Area of quadrilateral OABC is equal to, area of the quadrilateral formula is, what is area of the quadrilateral? Half into diagonal 1 cross diagonal 2. What is the diagonal 1? This is OB vector. Diagonal 1 will be OB vector. Cross diagonal 2 is what here? CA vector or AC vector, whatever it may be. This is AC vector, CA vector. CA vector. Right? This is what is the area of the quadrilateral. So OB vector they given how much here? 10A vector plus 2B vector. OC vector will be what? This is A and this is C. Then CA will be A minus C. CA will be what? A minus C. So area of the quadrilateral will be half into OB vector is already given, that is 10A vector plus 2B vector. and that cross into, this is cross with a CA vector. What is CA vector here? CA vector, position vector of A minus C, OA minus OC. CA will be what? OA minus OC. That is A vector cross A vector minus C vector. This is what I am going to get it. Now this area of the quadrilateral they denoted with P. This is P, and the area of the parallelogram denoted with Q. Okay. Now what you have to find? You have to find this area and you have to divide P by Q. You have to find. Okay, understand? Now what I can write is this value I can write as, okay, hope you understand. Let us see in this question one small mistake. In this question they given what here? See here, one thing I'll just, this is given B vector, means not C is given as B. This is given B. So this is given B. And one more thing here, now you know this vector is A and this vector is B, right? Now you have to find area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram direction will be this side, this and this side. So what we write as AC vector we'll write. Okay, so area of the parallelogram will be AC vector. So OB and AC, just I gave the formula previously, you just check it out. So OB and OB cross AC, that is the area of the quadrilateral. And here what I am going to get here, this value will be half into OB vector is what? OB vector is there given, that is given 10A vector plus 2B vector, that is they given in cross, and they given AC vector. What is AC vector? AC vector means OC minus OA, and the OC value given B. So this is B minus OA is given A. So B minus A vector. This is I am going to get as B vector minus A vector. That is what I am going to get it. Okay, that is not a problem here. Now what I am going to get here, this value will be half into, now 10A into this one. So what I am going to get here, 10 times of A cross B I will get. 10 times of A cross B I will get. Next you have a plus symbol. Now here plus into minus 10 times of A cross A I get. 10 times of A cross A. Then after you have a plus symbol, plus. Now here 2 into B. 2 into B cross B will be 0. So 2 times of B cross B I get. And here plus into minus 2 times of B cross A I will get. 2 times of B cross A I will get. So half of 10 times of this A cross A 0, B cross B 0. So here this I can write as 10 times of A cross B, and this if I change, the sign will be changes plus 2 times of A cross B, means this minus will become plus if I change A cross B. So half of, I get magnitude of 12 times of A cross B. 12 will come out, so I get 6 times of magnitude of A cross B. That is what I am going to get area of the quadrilateral OABC. That is nothing but I have considered this is as P. So P by Q will be, what is the P I got? 6 times of A cross B and divide modulus divided by, and Q is I got modulus of A cross B. So this is cancel out, the answer is 6. This is the way to deal this question. So hope you understand. If you have here this one, if you are taking A cross C or D cross C, you get the same result because you have modulus. When you have in modulus, so you are taking AC or CA is not big matters here. You write here AC or CA because you have a modulus, so it doesn't matter much. So the answer is finally 6. Dear students, let us see one more questions related to today's topic. let A vector, B vector, C vector be unit vectors such that A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. Which of the following is correct? They have given four options. You have to find which of the following is correct. Let us see here. A vector plus B vector plus C vector is 0. Okay, if this is 0, what happens here? Let us take a triangle now. You take a triangle. Let us take a triangle. A vector, this is a vector, and this is a B vector, and this is a C vector. Like here, A is going this side, B is going this side, C is going this side. This is the position of this. The displacement of this will be 0. Means A vector plus B vector plus, if the direction is like this, and C vector, if the direction is like this, this is the direction, then A vector plus B vector plus C vector is 0, holds a triangular law. Triangle law of an addition. Triangle law of an addition it holds. Means triangle law of addition says that, right? So this will be 0, A vector. So that is the idea should be getting. Now if I say as these all are 0, then what will be A cross C? A cross C, if this is a plane, you suppose this is A and this is C, A cross C is perpendicular to this plane. A cross C will be this. And these three are lying in this plane, and A cross C is this, A cross B is perpendicular to this, and even that B cross C will be perpendicular to this. Means towards you are getting all this cross, and it means that they all are parallel to your side. Means they are parallel to this. Means so you can see the options here, A cross B, B cross C, C cross A are perpendicular, is said. No, these are A cross B is coming this side, all are coming this side, so this option is wrong. They are parallel, right? If they are parallel, now let us see another ways. And if they are parallel, suppose they are parallel, then A cross B will be what? If they are parallel, A cross B will be 0, B cross C will be 0, C cross A will be 0. But in these both options, they have given not equal to 0. Means this option is wrong, this option is wrong, and this will be right. That's it, very simple. But I'll show you, right? And this is very simple. Now because they are parallel, so you know that A cross B is 0, then only they are parallel, right? So it means that A cross, this is A cross, this is the direction, this is the direction. If I change A cross of minus C cross, and that because why here this direction, if I am changing, I have to use minus. This way I get cross, this way and this way I did not get cross. So this direction is important. This is A vector and this is C vector. If I make this one, then I get A cross C, so that I can make this one. And this value these are parallel, right? All are parallel, and this is equals to, now this is A direction, this direction, and this is B direction. So if I change these directions, so either B, either A, you can change any one thing. In this both, you can change one thing. So A cross, if I change minus B cross, and these both will be same. And this is equal to B cross C, and this will be, if I change any one, as I change A and B, let us change C, I change, B I change, I have to change once A, right? So I'll change here A, okay, and I'll make it here positive B. And then this next time I'll change B, I'll write C. So C cross minus B vector. It means what I am going to get, A cross C, this is the direction, A cross C will be equal, they are parallel. So A cross C will be nothing but C cross A, it will be equal to minus of plus C cross A, and this will be equal to B cross A, and this will be equal to remove the negativeness, and you need to get C cross B placed as B cross C, and these all are equal. So here is equal, and they are getting A cross B, B cross C, C cross A are parallel to each other, and they are following the rule of sum of the triangle law, so that they all will be equal. So that's what the answer is here. So you get a C vector A cross B vector A cross B vector C cross, all are equal, and That's what is you are going to get it. Okay, hope you understand this one. Is it an IIT question? This question is asked in previous year IIT. This question they asked, and you know that they are and you know A cross B, right? You know that A cross B is equal to 0, and they are what we can say then when it is A cross B is equal to 0, if they are parallel. So all they are parallel, all these three are parallel, so that cross will be 0. So A cross B, C cross this is equal to 0. So I had explained you completely. This is IIT question. Tomorrow I am going to explain you very important topics, that is 2020 all questions I am going to explain you. And you know, in there will be independent and linearly independent variable, linearly dependent variable, that is there, linearly dependent independent, that topic I need to explain, and scalar triple product, vector triple product, that is most important for IIT JEE, and one question sure from that, scalar triple product and vector triple product. After that we will start 2020 questions and we will solve many questions on this chapter. Till then, take care, bye bye.